Welcome back to this lecture series on creating blog applications using Django. Now we're going to just learn how to start a project, how to create apps, and we'll just stop at that. So the first thing you want to do is, for me, I'm using PyCharm. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a virtual environment. That's the first thing you should always do in any project. So we're just going to come here, create a virtual environment. Okay, create, show all. Let's just add new. Okay, so we want a new environment. We say okay. So it's creating a virtual environment for us. After this creation is done, we're going to go on and install some libraries. Okay, so it's been created. You can see this is a virtual environment is a fresh Python install. There are no libraries. So what we're going to do is we're going to add libraries in here. So you can add libraries using pip install followed by the library name. But because I'm using PyCharm, I'm just going to go ahead and just search for it from here. With Django, we're going to specify 3.0.3, right? So when you're watching this video, it could be a different version that is the latest version. But for consistency's sake, I'd say we use the same version so you can just follow. Install this. While that's installing, you can install another library called Pillow. So because we're going to be uploading images in this application, we will need the Python imaging library. And we're going to install 7.1.2. I don't like installing the most recent version just in case there are bugs in there. Okay. Next thing you want to do is you want to create, you can see we have this installed and this were other dependencies that they needed. Next thing we want to create is a requirements.txt file. Okay, so let's come here. Say requirements, if I spelled that correctly, txt file. We're going to add it. Okay, so let's specify this Django 3.0.3 kilo equals to 7.1.2. That's it. The reason why you want to create a requirements.txt file is also for consistency. So if another person were to take your code and run it, they will know the exact Python libraries and the versions which you used during development. So now that that's done, we can go ahead and close this. Let's close this terminal. Restart it. Now we're in the virtual environment. First thing you want to do for any Django project is to create a Django project. So to create a project in Django, just say Django-admin start project blog. It's called project. You can call it anything you want. Okay, so this is it. All these files were created from this command. We'll go into them later. Next, we want to create apps. So we'll say Django-admin start app. Let's call the first one accounts. Django-admin start app. Let's call this pages. Django-admin start app blog. So at this point, we've created 3 different apps in our Django project. Let me show you where they are. So this is our Django project, which is called blog project. Sometimes you see it being called my site. And these are the different apps: accounts app, the blog app, and the pages. So let's look at the accounts app and see what's in there. So you see you have migrations, admin.py, apps.py, models, tests, views. So those are the different Python files in every app. You can see pages is the same thing. But if you check the project, it has sort of a different types of modules. And we can cover what these different files do in subsequent lectures. So at this point, we've successfully created our Django project and we've created Django apps. See you in the next following lectures. Thank you.